You are going to love the 2020 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, alloy wheels, power lift gate, traction control system, daytime running lights, fog lights, outside temperature gauge, power sunroof, backup camera, leather upholstery. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.